Hi everybody, let's make this moving fish. For that, take a blue craft paper, fold it into half, again fold it from its corners. Then we are going to make multiple cuts on it, again fold it like this. Now paste its fin like we are doing here, paste its eyes, and look, it is ready. Paste all these green strips together and make a ball like this. After that, we are going to fold these green strips in a zigzag way like this and paste all of them. We are pasting the frog head, and look, your squeezy frog is ready. We are going to paste these two colored circles together and make multiple folds like this. Now paste it using double-sided tape. We are making a beautiful butterfly here. Paste its antennas, and look, your flying butterfly is ready. We are going to make the face of the bunny, paste its ears. Now we are going to combine these three straws together, put it inside the paper cup, and look, your moving bunny is ready, and how cute it is looking. Here we are going to make this beautiful peacock. So fold a blue craft paper. Now cut the face of the peacock and its neck. Now fold the rest of the paper and make the feathers of the peacock like this. Paste different colorful patterns, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.